In this part, we start looking at the regular expressions, and the first thing is we are going to use the modules, re, the regular expressions, and one of these function is search, and this will scan through the string and looking for the first location. So the important thing is the first location that produces a match. So before, we already learned how to check whether there is a substring inside the text. So for example, the text is equal to hello world, and we check world in text. So if we execute this, we will get true, and then we are going to use the regular expression dot search. So we import the re modules, and then we go to search for the world in the hello world. So we pass the text to here. So if you press shift tab, you will see we have to pass the pattern and also pass the string, and this is the hello world. So we execute this, and we can see the span is from 0 to 1, and you can see from 6 to 11, because the world is start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 5 is the space character. And now if we search the fish, there is nothing happen, because there are actually no fish inside this hello world. So we can create x is equal to re.search, and then we can use the start function to get the first numbers, the 6, and x.n is equal to 11, and the x.span actually will return this tuple. And then the thing that this the first only looking for the first location. The first location is like this. For example, there are tags hello Tom, hello Peter, and hello Kim. But no matter how many hellos there, it will just return the first result, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the match. So in order to find all the hellos, then you have to use the iter. So for example, for x in the iter hello, and then you can print the x. So now you can get each of the span from 0 to 5 and from 11. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And also the 24 is starting from here. And if you want to just get the span, you just need to do exactly the same as here. So we just use x.span to return all the span, and then we use x.group to return that hello. So there are 3 hello there. And we can also use find all functions to return all overlapping matches in string or list of string or tuple. So again, we execute this, and we can get the length of x, and you can get the 3 because it will return a list. So for example, we type print x, you can see there are actually a list with 3 hellos, because in this txt there are 3 hellos there. There are 1, 2, and 3. So we get list, and it is straightforward to get the length.